Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. In this video we will see how to make the simplest Stirling engine. You will only need a glass syringe and a small piston which is made out of steel wool. You can make this engine in minutes. The syringe is a 5 ml one and we need to seal the tip. In order to seal the tip of the syringe, we need a gas torch. You will heat the tip of the syringe until the glass softens, and then you just press the tip with the pliers. This video is sponsored by GLC PCB. GLC PCB is a company that makes excellent quality PCBs at an unbeatable price. You can order boards online in minutes. After registration, upload your Gerber files, select the PCB properties, select the payment method, and place your order. Best price and quality for all your PCB needs. The little piston must be able to move freely inside the syringe, and it should have a length such that it goes up to the 2 ml mark of the syringe. Use a soft pencil and draw all the plunger of the syringe. This is necessary since the graphite acts as a lubricant for a smoother movement. Okay, let's turn on the torch to test the engine. Now that we have seen the engine working, let's make a simplified explanation of how it works. We apply heat at the tip of the syringe, and with the heat, the air inside expands and pushes the plunger in this direction. But then the piston moves from here to here, and the air moves to this side, which is relatively cold. When the air cools, it creates a partial vacuum that pulls the plunger in this way. But then the heat expands the air again, pushes the plunger, and the cycle repeats indefinitely, at least while we apply heat in this point. Okay, there you have it. Super simple Stirling engine. Very good for a school project. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for your visit and see you in the next one.